travel day. We're going to Côte-d'Ivoire today. And the amount of issues, girl, guys, it's gonna be a struggle for me to get there, but I'll keep you updated. So what happened is Côte-d'Ivoire finally sent me my visa last night really late, but they never sent my son's visa. So right now I only have my visa and I don't have my son's visa, but I'm getting on that plane. I need to find a solution because I am not staying here in one day. I keep you updated. So hey guys, this is Nissa and welcome back to another vlog for our West African tour. Our first stop was Senegal, and if you haven't seen the video yet, I made 4 videos about it. We are now heading to Côte d'Ivoire. Like I just explained, they didn't send no one his visa, but after arguing with Air Senegal Airlines, they finally let me go, but they made me sign a waiver that I was responsible for the charges if Côte d'Ivoire sent me back. After 2.5 hours, we made it safely to Côte d'Ivoire. I explained the visa situation to the border agent and they were super kind and fixed the situation right away. After we were done with security, I immediately bought a SIM card to be able to order a Yango. There was so much traffic that it took us 2 hours to get to my Airbnb. I was so tired. We ended up going to grocery store to buy some food and I went straight to bed after that. The next day, before I went to meet with my friend on another side of the town, I stopped by the cutest little restaurant, Espace Wow. This place was such a vibe. They were serving coconut wine and it tasted way sweeter than the one that I had in Kenya. It was so cold and it was so refreshing.
Again?
Okay, it's really good. I also experienced my first Ivorian food, and all I can say is Ivorian people can cook. The food was delicious. After that, it was time to change Airbnb. Don't ask me how it happened, but my friend and I ended up booking a place that was out of the way and you'll be gone. If you know, you know. Okay, so this is the house for the next week. So as soon as you enter, you have the half bathroom for the guests. If they come, what guests? I don't know. I don't like people. I don't talk to nobody, but we'll see. Then here, when you open that door, you have a functioning kitchen. It's really, you don't need more than that. And then you have the table to eat. The host was gracious enough to give us a bottle of wine. This is a living room with Noah. We have a balcony right over there. And then here we have my room. And this is my friend's room because I'm spending the week with my friend. And with that, we both have our own bathroom. Full bath. So we don't need to share a bathroom, which was important for me. And we have a balcony. So this is the quick tour of the house, and I love it. I am gonna rest a little bit, but cannot wait to see more of Côte d'Ivoire. It's so hot.
So hot today.
Oh my god, it's like 33 degrees. And it's only 10 a.m. It's hot. It's really, really hot. Oof. We went to eat at a local place. I can't remember the name, but I will put it in the video for you guys. Once again, the vibe was great and the food was incredible. And we out for the first time in Côte d'Ivoire today. I was a little bit sick, but we out today. Come Noah. After spending the first few days doing nothing, we decided to go explore downtown Abidjan. We went to a nice museum. We also ended up finding a whole street that was selling fabrics. I was so tempted to buy some, but most of their stuff was coming from Nigeria, so I decided to wait to buy them directly from there.
After a long day of experience walking, we went to a rooftop. Once again, I can't remember the name because I was there weeks ago, but I will put it on the screen for you guys. The food was average and super overpriced, but the view was nice. A lot of locals came dressed with traditional clothes to take pictures and record videos. We spent a couple hours there and went back home right after this.
Hi everyone, we've been in Côte d'Ivoire for a couple of days. I haven't been vlogging, I haven't been recording anything because I've been sick. But we've been to a couple of restaurants and the food here is absolutely incredible. I look crazy right now because it's Sunday and apparently Sunday is for brunching in Abidjan. It's a whole thing here and we are about to go and have a good time and eat some good food for brunch. So I'm gonna make myself cute a little bit because I've been feeling crazy and looking crazy. So today's probably day 4. I'm living in 4 days. I didn't do a lot. My vlog is not going to be super long, but I'm going to show you as much as I can. Côte d'Ivoire is for the vibe. It's for the vibe. Like, it's just for the vibe. There's not like a lot of touristy thing to do. You come here to vibe, to eat, to drink, to have a good time, to enjoy your time. It's so incredible and I cannot wait to tell you more about it. But for now, let me go get ready and I will see you right after, okay? Bye.
So as you can see in this video, Noah is shirtless and the reason for that is 2 minutes after we sat down for brunch, my son threw up all over the table. That didn't stop me from ordering a bottle of sparkling rosé with some gold inside. The staff was super kind and cleaned all the mess. I felt so bad. They had so many food options and it was surprisingly super good. If you know me personally, you know I'm not a fan of a buffet, but this particular time it was nice. We ate and drank. Your girl was definitely tipsy after that, so we went straight home and I went to sleep. That was the only night I was able to sleep with the loud music outside.
So this is official. I just booked my flight ticket to Ghana. Y'all don't understand. Ghana has been like probably number 1 on my list for the past like 5 years. I was supposed to celebrate when I turned 30, I was supposed to go there, but I was pregnant with Noah and then I couldn't go because I was so close to giving birth. I couldn't go to Ghana, and why would I go to Ghana pregnant? I would never do that. So I feel like 5 years after, it's redemption time and I'm going to Ghana and I'm so excited. And shout out to my friend that hooked me up for the visa process and everything because I almost didn't make it, but your girl has connection and I'm grateful for that. So we going to Ghana in 3 days. Okay, so we only have 3 days left in Côte d'Ivoire. I didn't record much, but I'm going out today and we'll see. I'm super excited for Ghana. Like, I'm going to Ghana. Anyways, I am gonna enjoy my last 3 days here in Côte d'Ivoire and I'm gonna try to do some stuff so I can have a decent vlog. Peace.
As you can see, I am super excited for Ghana, but before we leave, I want to make sure to enjoy Côte d'Ivoire a little bit more. We went to the Laguna Resort in Yopougon. It was empty that day. The food was average, to be honest. Maybe they had a half night because it was highly recommended. The next day, we decided to go for a day pass at a beach club. Again, I can't remember the name, so I'll put it in the screen.
Here we going to the beach
Okay, by the pool. Are we gonna have fun? Bye. This is me trying a local beer like I always do. It was okay, not bad, not good. Probably wouldn't buy again. In order to get to the beach club, we had to take a speedboat. It was included in the day pass, and they have specific time for departure, so make sure to check the time if you want to go. As soon as we got there, we quickly realized that it was going to be a pool day because the beach wasn't doing it for me. We ate there and I had a couple shots but nothing crazy. Noah spent the whole time in the pool and he had a blast, so I was happy about that. In my personal opinion, it wasn't worth the price, and to be honest, I feel that way about most of the things we did in Côte-d'Ivoire. After the day pass, we went to eat a dessert, and it was delicious. I wish I took a video of it because it was by far one of the best desserts I had in Africa.
So this is what we bought today. If you know, you know. If you're West Africa, you know Wagwan. I couldn't find that nowhere in Kenya, but I finally found them here in Côte d'Ivoire, and I know they have them in Senegal too. So I am happy. One for me, one for Noah. Today we're going on a fun adventure. We're going to Domenbini. This is our last full day in Côte d'Ivoire. We're leaving for Ghana tomorrow. So today we're going to Domenbini, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. And Noah? Yeah. Okay, come with us.
The last day before we left for Ghana, we went to Domenbini. It was an hour away from where we stayed. It was overall a great day. As soon as we arrived, they played some music for us. Then they proceed to give us fresh coconut water. Right after that, they gave me coconut wine. It was the perfect way to start the day. We then went to a walk in the forest for almost 2 hours to explore and learn about different plants and how they make caoutchouc. After a long walk, it was time to eat. Listen. That's the best food I ever ate in Côte d'Ivoire. There is something about people from the village that make them the best cook. I don't even know how many times I went back to grab more food, but it was incredible. After that, it was time to dance, and Noah had the time of his life. He was definitely the center of attention. He was entertaining everybody. The last activity of the day was the mud bath, and my body was so grateful for it. The mud was super cold, and after a hot day of walking, this is exactly what we needed. We probably stayed on the mud longer than we should, but we had a time. We went back home right after that. It was a long day, and I had to wake up early the next day to get ready for Ghana.
Look absolutely crazy, but today is the day that I'm going to Ghana. It's packing time. Côte d'Ivoire, we stayed a week. I didn't do much, but I had a great time and I cannot wait to put the video together. It's gonna be only one video. I know Senegal I did like 4 different videos. Côte d'Ivoire is gonna be only one video, but I'm going to Ghana, and shout out to my friend that honestly went to bat for me because I didn't do my visa and I had to wait 2 weeks, and he said absolutely not, you're coming this week, and he made it happen to me. So I'm very, very grateful for that. But I'm coming to Ghana. Okay, bye. Right away. Bye bye Côte d'Ivoire.
Bye, Côte d'Ivoire.
Bye bye everybody, the cars, the noise, and everything. Bye.
So here's my honest opinion about Côte d'Ivoire. If you're looking for a place with great local food, great restaurant, good vibes, and good music, Côte d'Ivoire is the place to be. However, be aware that it is extremely expensive, and as someone who loves to explore a lot and try new things, I wasn't able to do it at all. That being said, I had a great time there, but I'm not sure I will go back. Côte d'Ivoire was always high on my list to see, and I don't regret going. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this vlog, and we will see you guys in Ghana for another fun adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to be part of our journey. Bye now!